guys, it's Michelle Veloso with HuntersvilleRealty.com, powered by EXP. I just wanted to do a quick video. I know we've had conversations about blue tape parties before in the past. It's when you're on new construction, you do that pre-final walkthrough and tape up the house and see, what needs to be fixed. Is there a dent in the microwave? Is there damaged flooring? Is there paint that needs touched up? It takes several hours of going inch by inch through the entire new construction home. Is there broken glass? Is there caulking that needs to be done? Your inspector's already been in to do his walkthrough, but you are seeing what else needs to be touched up before this house can be closed on. It takes them about a week to fix those things that you put on the list with the builder and their customer service agent, but it's quite a bit. So divide your square footage of your house into square inches, and that's what that looks like. Finding out if everything is done the way that it was supposed to be done. So I'll post some photos a little later on today so you can see what it looks like, but you can see I'm out on the front porch now, and you can see even the columns. They need to touch up with paint. There's different colors if something structurally needs to be done. You want to check the garage door, make sure there's no dents in the garage door. Check over the cabinets, because most builders, they are not coming back after you sign those final closing paperwork, unless it's something major that they can put on additional documents or postpone the closing. So you want to do a really good job with that, and we do. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Always feel free to reach out with any questions. Okay, bye.